It is 9 a.m. over here in Uganda, and look, the weather is quite cloudy, so anytime we are expecting rain. The weather is quite cool since a few days. Otherwise, it seems the dry season is about to end. Right. I have done some laundry. I hand washed. Hey, people, tell me, is there somebody like me? One of my hobbies is to travel, and each time we save up for a washing machine, I am one of those people that prefer or who has used the money to, to travel. So we've kept on postponing buying a washing machine. These are the buckets where I've been washing from. I hand wash the clothes, and I discovered this here. Who uses these sachets? We used to buy 5-liter jerry cans up until we discovered these. Well, how did we discover them? One day we had gone shopping for our school-going children, and this is not an advert in any way. And so, well, guys, I'm washing from outside.